her for her hard work and focus and dedication in getting this done. And I know that anytime you have things that are added to a bill that's not a clean bill, it makes it difficult. But I want to thank her and the chairman for working together and making this happen, because this is a major bill, significantly important. You know, and we learned, I think, from the impact of the 9/11 terrorist attacks that this was substantial. You know, when you looked at the losses, it was about $32.5 billion or $42.9 billion in 2013 dollars, the largest insurance loss in global history at that time. And prior to 9/11, insurance companies generally covered all the cost of terrorist attacks. After 9/11, terrorist risk insurance quickly became either unavailable or very, very expensive and unaffordable. Furthermore, premiums for workers' compensation insurance increased significantly, and real estate and commercial ventures were stalled because of the inability to obtain the requisite insurance coverage. Now, 9/11 happened in New York. And so, yes, you see New York's and New York members and all of us here supporting the bill. But this is not a bill just about New York. It's about all of America, because they did not attack New York for New York. They attacked New York because it was part of America. And we don't know, and God, we pray that we don't have another such attack ever on our homeland again. But should, it could be someplace else. It doesn't have to be New York. And it's when we should rally around as Americans, as patriots, to make sure that we continue our economy flowing and moving. And that's why, even though there's things are added and certain things people don't like, etc., we're trying to figure out how we get this right, because it is too important to America to allow TRIA to expire. Furthermore, when you examine TRIA, really, it costs taxpayers virtually nothing. Yet it continues to provide tangible benefits to our overall economy. TRIA allows for terrorism insurance market stability, affordability, and availability, so those in business, etc., can know, predict, and be confident that we will continue to move on. TRIA is a critical part of the U.S. economy's security infrastructure and would ensure a swift recovery in the event of a significant terrorist attack. Now, in New York, I'm proud that now we've got the Freedom Towers up, because it also sends a symbol to those who don't like us, that you can't keep us down, that we'll get back up on our feet stronger and better than ever. And that's what makes this country the great country that we're going to rally around and work with one another. So this TRIA bill is significantly important, and I ask my colleagues to vote yes on voting for TRIA.
Gentleman's time has expired. Gentleman from Texas.